Hey everyone, have you heard the news? Canva is introducing a huge suite of brand new products and AI-powered design tools that are going to revolutionize the way we create content. This is the biggest update we've seen from Canva yet, and it's going to change the game for workplaces everywhere. Let's start with the new Brand Hub. This is going to make it so much easier for you to remain consistent with your organization's visual identity. With brand folders and brand templates, you'll be able to keep all of your assets organized and create pre-branded reusable templates for more repetitive tasks. The best part? Admins can set permissions to ensure any content being created in Canva remains on brand, saving graphic designers time to focus on more pressing tasks. But that's not all. Canva has some additional tricks up its sleeve that separate it from other cloud storage solutions. With the new Magic Replace tool, you can replace an asset across all of your designs with one click. That's right, no more sifting through all your designs to update an outdated logo or graphic. Canva's new AI-powered features are equally impressive. The Magic Eraser tool can remove anything unwanted in an image, while Magic Edit can swap an object with something entirely different. With the Magic Design tool, Canva can generate personalized templates from any image you upload, and its copywriting assistant can even generate written content from a text prompt that you can use in presentations or website copy. And if you don't have time to create your own slides, Canva has got you covered. Their tool generates entire branded presentations for you, and their translation feature can translate any text in your design into over 100 different languages. Plus, new editing features for layouts, layers, styles, and gradients are available to jazz up your designs, and alt text can now be generated for images directly within Canva. This update is massive, and there's a lot to digest. Canva already touts itself as an all-in-one creation tool, and this update cements their place at the top of the industry. With over 110 million monthly users, it's hard to argue with that. But Canva isn't resting on its laurels. They know that Adobe is their biggest competitor, and they're coming for them. Adobe recently announced new integrations and AI features for Adobe Express, but Canva's update is even more accessible and user-friendly. So get ready to create stunning designs with ease and streamline your content creation process with Canva's game-changing update. Head to their website to check out all the new features and get started today.